Hey, it's Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today is Monday, April 23rd, 2018. Trying to get the chair adjusted to where I want it. I'm going to keep this short today because I know what I got to do. I got to get my ass out of bed. So that's my fault for losing today. Nice trade setup at about 7 a.m. CST today. Went down about 100 ticks or so before it went up 100. Did not see that low at 67.14 today. It didn't look like a low to me. I only ended up getting, when I got in, I waited. When I say get my ass out of bed, what I mean by that is I got to stop thinking that I have to wait for 9 o'clock in the morning to start trading. So means that when I do get up, when I do get up early to turn on the computers, take a look at the markets and be ready to trade by, 7 a.m. my time, 6 a.m. Central, and be ready to go. Because a lot of these markets are moving before the New York gets its entry point. So, or the open outcry of the U.S. markets. So waiting for the 9 o'clock, or in this case 8 o'clock a.m. CST open here in the States is probably, well, I've talked about it previously. I've talked about, should I go to bed early on a Sunday night and then get up early on that Monday morning, like 2, 3 in the morning, no later than 4 my time, and be ready to go Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday I get my inventory trade, and then Thursday, Friday trade the normal hours. So once again, I'm leaning towards, having to change my pattern of how I start and attempt the trades, because some of the easy trades, honestly, some of the easiest trades come before the 9 o'clock marker or the 8 o'clock a.m. CST mark. Some of the easiest, most trending trades seem to fall in that area. I mean, today was just, I mean, if you could have held all the way down there and then got out around, say, when I was getting out of the trade at the 43 level, that could have been an 80, 90 tick winner at a 68. If you got in at 68.20 today, which I talk about on the video. So if I'd have got in at 68.20 and rode that son of a gun, I mean, that means the low, it went down a whole $1.06 before it started coming back up. I mean, that could have been a really nice trading day, 80, 70 ticks of wins on the table, as opposed to only getting 8 by waiting for the 9 o'clock and then noticing that we had already crested down low. I didn't want to get involved at the 9 o'clock mark or 8 o'clock CST mark. Didn't want to get involved at that point because I knew that we were going to go up and then form and then attempt those lows again. At least that's how I looked at it. And I didn't see, well, the volume bar that kind of, I'll tell you, the bars that trick me and the ones that when in doubt, stand aside, or when in doubt, get out. If I see a bar that's opposite of the color that I expect to see at either the high or the low, that's probably a good barometer to get my ass out of a trade. Because I've seen that happen more times than not, that when a down move, I get a high blue bar volume, that ends up, can be the temporary low, and then it goes all the way up. And on the other side of that, when you see a high red bar volume and when it's cresting on an up move, then that might be a good indicator that the market's done, like the longs threw in the trades, the shorts threw in, or whatever. But I've noticed that the color of the bar, I'm not as concerned with the color of the bars like I used to be when I first started working on my trading strategy. I'm more inclined of the color of the bar pre-open of 8 o'clock. So, and all things being equal, when that down happened at 7 o'clock this morning, I think it was CST time, the highest volume bar was blue at that point. So it made it sense that you want to trade that. And it seems to work a lot better. And I've noticed this for a while, that it seems to work better in the overnights coming before the US market open. Um, so it's a matter of adjusting my sleep schedule to get to take advantage of some of these Sunday night, Monday morning trades that are coming. I mean, I think this is 4 or 5 or 6 weeks in a row that the Sunday into Monday trade has been profitable, just not for me. So, so I hope you caught it. I hope that it was a good day for you. On me, on the other hand, I gave up all my gains of Friday to go down, so I'm underneath the mark. And at one point, I was willing to throw in an extra $100 and fail the combine. So definitely not a good overall trading day for me. I'm glad I didn't. I got within like $11 of failing the damn thing today. So it's days like this that I have to obviously correct in my own thinking, because you know you can be wrong, and when you're wrong, no words that you're going to say are going to make you right, because the market is the ultimate barometer if you're going to be right or wrong. So the answer seems to be get my butt with the computers on earlier, especially at the beginning of the week, and be ready to go by, no later than 7 a.m. my time or 6 a.m. Central. So I need to be, coffee in and everything ready to go. Get my ass out of, get when I get my butt out of bed and sitting there and dilly-dallying around, turn the computers on and be ready to go, especially the early part of the week. That's it. Dave Knight here at 123 Day Trade. Have a great day. Bye now.